Hello friends, how are you? Well, good times have started. Why? Because Indian Premier League, the cricket tournament has started.
And what a start from Rohit Sharma. Just leant onto that front foot.
And today's being the first match, we thought we'll order some pizzas. So, we have ordered pizzas from Mojo Pizza. Well, it's getting pretty famous these days and especially for its topping, and I've been hearing good things about it, so let's try it out. Oh wow. Nice, and we have garlic bread. Nice. So this is, friends, the meat eaters pizza. Looks nice and cheesy. And this is the chicken tikka pizza. These are the garlic breads, the cheese dip. And what I really liked is that they gave these oregano in a separate bag. Oh, and some ketchup. Nice. Let's try the chicken tikka pizza. Oh, it's pretty huge. Pretty nice 10 inches pizza. And nice amount of cheese. Nice and warm. Let's dig it. Pretty much loaded. Liked it. Of course, we add some oregano. Very nice. The base is very light. I like it. Let us try the meat eaters pizza. Again, the crust is very light, though it's not a thin base, thin crust, but it's very light. Very good. Very tasty garlic bread. Lots of garlic.